Friends, today we'll see how to create a splitting structure in SAP system. To create a splitting structure, we need to go to the T code. Okay, yes, press enter. So first we need to create the splitting structure code. So I created the splitting structure LE, which is LE for splitting structure. This is just a variant, and select this and click on assignments. So here we need to input all the activity types here. So which is manpower, machinery, depreciation, or power, fuel, quality cost, and repairs and maintenance. And we have to assign the splitting rule which we have created earlier. Okay. So in this assignment, we need to assign the activity type along with the primary cost elements. So we need to select this manpower line item, go to the selection for assignment. So here we need to assign the cost elements for this manpower. So manpower is nothing but the salary and wages. So we need to input the primary cost element GL accounts one, which is salary and wages, primary cost elements we have to create here. And activity type. So for the what is the activity type that we have created for manpower, which is MANPO. I'll show that. So these are all the activity types that we have created. So we need to assign manpower for the, so likewise I'll show for others as well. Select the second line, double click on the selection for assignment, and actually for machinery alone we need to create a group because we have other cost elements also exist. Say for instance, like we have indirect cost, indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect factory overhead. So all those primary cost elements also we have to assign here. To see the GL accounts, the primary cost GL accounts that has been assigned to this particular group, we need to go to KAH3. Copy this group, MACHINE. So here you can see I have added all the GL accounts, I mean the primary GL accounts to this particular group, cost element group. So indirect material, indirect labor, indirect factory overhead, along with the depreciation expense. Okay. So now we need to go to OKES, the splitting structure. So where I have to assign the group, whatever I created. And the activity type also we have to assign. Okay. So activity type for machine is MACHIN. Go one step back. Third one is power. Select this selection for assignment. So for this cost element, we need to assign the primary cost element for power, which is 410010. This is electricity charges. This is actually primary cost element, not the secondary cost. And the activity type we need to assign power. That I have assigned. Okay. We go to the next section, which is fuel. Select this line and go to selection work assignment. So here I have assigned the primary cost element. For 4011, which is fuel and diesel. This is the actual expenses, primary cost GL account, and the activity type I assigned the fuel. Then go to the next one, quality cost. Select this and go to the next one. Selection assignment. So I selected the cost element. Go tableau 0.2, which is quality cost, and activity type I selected as QC, which is quality cost. This is quality cost. So go one step back, select this repairs and maintenance, double click on this. So here you can see the cost element is assigned against this activity type. So for double on 013, which is repairs and maintenance. And activity type requires is completed. And go to the splitting rules. So we need to define the splitting rule as well. So I selected LUK is a splitting rule, and what is the method we are using? So method we need to select 12 because this particular 12 method number 12 work for both plan and actual. Okay, so all other items are updated as description is updated as planning. So we need to select activity quantity as the method, so which works for both plan and actual. The rest of things are planning. Click on save. So after creating the splitting structure, we need to assign the splitting structure. To assign that OKEW cost center. Select the cost center, production cost center. Physical expenses. So so here we have cost. So this has already been assigned. So we need to select this and assign against the splitting rule that we have created. So this will not assign this now. Yes, I have already assigned this. So against this, is splitting rule. The cost center, production cost center has been assigned to this splitting distribution. So thank you so much.